Hi! We're working on two sounds this week. The first letter is this one. Do you remember the name of this letter? What's this letter? That's a B, and B says B, 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 B. Let's make the B sound together. B, B, B. And let's see. Here's a picture of something that starts with B. You know what that is? A bumblebee. B, 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 bee. Okay, and here's the other sound that we're working with. This is the letter M. Let's make the sound for M. You put your lips together. Like, let's see if you know what this picture is. Moon. Okay, let's make the sound for B again. B, B, B. Let's make the sound for M. B, B, B. Okay. I'm going to show you a picture. I'm going to draw a picture, and I want you to tell me which one of the letters it starts with, okay? So I'm going to have the letters at the top. Here's B, and here's M. When I draw the picture, you have to tell me which letters it starts with B, 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 or okay. So let me start with this picture. That's a bucket. Bucket. What letter does that start with? Does it start with B, or bucket starts with B, right? So bucket starts with B. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do this is kind of a funny looking picture. But I'm doing my best here. It's an animal that has really big ears, as you can see here. Can you tell what that is? That's a mouse. What sound or what letter does mouse start with? Starts with M. Okay. Here's another one. This is something you drink out of. It's a mug. What letter does a mug start with? Mug. Starts with an M. Okay, we'll do one more. Let's see. Let's do this one. You might not be able to recognize right away, but this is a kind of a fancy bathtub. So bath. Bath starts with which one of these? B. Okay. So B, 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 M. Those are going to be our two letters for today. Now let me show you your work for today. So here's what you'll do with this. You're going to need some crayons to do this work. I'm going to get my crayons real quick. So you're going to need your crayons. Now what you're going to do is look at each of these pictures, and you have to color the pictures that start with B. So let's see. Let's look at the first one. Banana. Does that start with B? Yes. So you'll color that one in, okay? You'll do the same thing for all the pictures. Now, if you come to a picture that doesn't start with B, you don't have to color it in. Like if there was a moon on here, would that start with B? Moon? No, so I wouldn't color it in, okay? So you're going to do that for B. And then you're also going to do the same thing for M. You have to look at each of the pictures. If it starts with the M sound, then you'll color it in. If it doesn't start with M, don't color it in. Okay, go ahead and get to work on your B's and your M's.